All right, I'm going to show you how to get your assembly drawing sheet set up. So I'm going to go ahead and click New. I'm going to find Standard IDW. Go ahead and click Create. Remember that it comes in by default as a size D sheet. So I'm going to right click over here in the sheet in the browser, select Edit Sheet. I'm going to change it from size D to size A. I'm going to delete the ANSI large title block. And under drawing resources, I'm going to come over here and select just the regular ANSI A title block. I then want to change the size of the text on the part list so it's easier to read on our drawing. So I'll click the Manage tab in the Styles Editor. Under Part List, I'm going to select Part List. I'll go ahead and select the text and edit the text. I'm going to make the text height 0.075, and I'm going to change the font to Arial. I'll go ahead and click Save and Close. I'll click the Styles Editor again. I'm also going to edit the column chooser to edit what displays on my part list. I'm going to remove description, and I'm going to add material. So I'll come down here, find material, add, click OK, save and close. So now your drawing sheet should be set up for your assembly drawing.